This past summer, we ventured out west with some friends to hit some national parks. Before catching up with the rest of the group, Amanda and I flew into Glacier, which had been on our list for a while. Glacier is of course known for having glaciers, but we heard it's also your best chance at seeing a grizzly.
What bear also has a thumb in addition to 5 toes? Giant panda, polar bear, brown bear,
Panda.
American black bear. Yeah!
Our campsite with potential bears is brought to you by Kodiak Bear Bites.
5 grams.
Amanda's
protein.
gonna fight off the bears by feeding them snacks.
Yeah. What 2 species of bears have mated in the wild and produced hybrid cubs?
Pizzly.
You get that right again.
So we made it to Apgar Campground. Should we set up the tent?
Should.
Glacier National Park is gorgeous so far. We haven't even really seen it. After pitching our tent, we set off exploring the park.
I am fairly well now, I am strong, I am goodbye, I'm a long way from home. I am an orchard at the start of spring, I am a mockingbird I love to sing, and I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly. I am an old road walking on my feet, I am laughing neath the weeping willow tree, I am a dog barking, a honeybee sting, I ain't no angel but I've got my wings, I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly.
We headed to bed early that night because the next morning we'd be doing one of the most iconic hikes in the park.
Morning.
Morning. Let me get you. It's your birthday.
Well, today is both a happy and sad day.
No. It's happy.
It's exciting because it's my birthday.
Yeah. He turns 30.
It's disappointing. It's 30. So there's mountain goats walking through the parking lot this morning. That was wild. They're not scared of people. Someone try to ride one.
Happy 30th birthday.
Got the Scrudados here. Hey, yeah, show me what you strapped with this morning.
Julia's definitely getting eaten if we see a bear.
Why?
You think you can get this out?
I don't even have one on me.
Make this fair, okay?
The moment I've been waiting for. Finally getting to see a first wildlife spotting.
That's not what I thought its antlers would look like.
Oh my god.
They're kind of fuzzy.
All the best things that I've seen, and all the most wonderful views, all the best sights that I see with you. All the best nights I never slept, all the days I'm holding on to, all the best times that I've had with you.
Snack check.
They're in the shape of a bear.
In the
Sponsor us, Kodiak.
Cliff Bar.
Snack check. Danny here at Everest Base Camp.
summiting 29,000.
Drove down all the towns I've wandered through. All the best ones are all better than you.
As we continued down the Highline Trail, the views kept getting better. Excuse me? I don't want to have to bear spray you. I was between IDing that as a brown bear or a grizzly. If it's not obvious, I still desperately wanted to see a grizzly. But wait. Still, no grizzly. Once you reach the top, you get an amazing overlook at Grinnell Glacier. So the downhill portion of this hike is brutal. I think it's over 4 miles just downhill after you've already worked hard. Wow. That end was brutal. After the hike, we decided to reward ourselves with some ice cream and a much needed cold plunge in Lake McDonald. How's your shower experience?
It was really good. It was a tiny shower, but it was nice to shower.
So my first 3 to 4 minutes was great. And then a guy came in and started taking a dump and the entire bathroom smelled bad. So